Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
I think then I never started.
Mami fa new news in start.
Meet here.
Yeah, me na say. I'm chief for you and okay.
Yeah, Joso.
Chairman, new news meet ye. Me am shiming kakra.
100 200 no.
When me say UK the highest note or more 50
pounds.
Na meet and me am shiming kakra because when you na kan ho na acquire denomination having higher denominations and many of them in circulation. Now, acquire denomination. Now, a denomination 2007 and by 2019, yes, the new news eba. Sabi, and you just lower news, a higher news. Until me am shimmy kakra. But near Emma, me am shimmy kasikran said the printing of these new news, no. Some implications on your economy, no? And I think say a idea essay you can have some kakra. My view is this is likely to create some inflationary pressures. As I say, we share redenomination you know. Eventually, no, it led to an increase in inflation. Because once you print new notes higher denominations, no, the tendency for lower notes to fade into disuse very high.
In fact,
a until 1 peso, for example, is hardly used for transactions. Until pure water and sachet water, yeta friend no. All him say a shooty free you can you know a 1 peso. A shooty free 1 peso to 20 pesos. Can he air 2,000? Can you can when I did 2,000 because I pure water?
Nobody.
Until once the redenomination happened, no. Sa coins now 1 peso and sebi it appeared it no longer had the kind of value and the purchasing power now as a rai until now say 20 pesos ebesha na name until it caused the price of sachet water to shoot up
automatically,
and some other no so now in time you should be and all of that until now contributed to an increase in inflation until from 2007, by 2008, we were doing fairly well in terms of managing our inflation. But by 2008, we realized an upward trend in inflation. And partly was due to, because you can sense our redenomination, until we saw a higher notes, which means lower notes are likely to fade into disuse. In 2007, 2008, so likely to recur. Secondly, argument Martin is it is to deal with the increasing cost of transactions. But I'm trying to locate the source of that cost of transaction now. Almost see no CE Ediabano, and I can't seem to find source now. Eka say enu amasi see the cost of transaction cost. I'm trying to locate that source no menyebi. And until you are able to know the source of increase in cost of transaction, no. Now wait my determination whether that is leading to inefficiency and our dear friend that with burden, no. But if you are unable to tell me, say, oh no, sir, you use ama cost of transaction cost through one time and share me adipotiama cost of transaction cost through, no. You cannot proceed then to say you just make Sabi, what can the try say? Oh, it leads to high cost of transaction and that leads to inefficiency and our dear friend that with burden. One man tell me where the cost of transaction now yes see our cost no free. And Chairman, we are moving towards a cashless economy. That's another point. Precisely. If you are striving to mold our economy in the form of ana ye pese ye my economy no cashless yenta emphasica enye transactions bebre eba na aden na afi we have decided to print some higher notes, and the reason for doing so is yes cost of transaction using notes are away because S20 so uswan bebre and all of that, which is an argument I am yet to be told by anybody in the financial sector say ana Nkrofo a omudi dwa se o sika no esoso nti ya ese swan bibri ansa na ye de akodi edwa nti ama cost of carrying sa sika no aye bibie ewo ho menyanti sa concern no from anywhere. And we are, like I said, we are trying to move towards a cashless economy. Nti about saying a year printy higher denominations with the claim say see a cost of transaction cost. Mobile money we say see a amount of people end time. Look, people, travelers and they don't roam with monies in their pockets any longer. Sanipa ni a bank account kran yo ye ne say odisika no egu ne mobile money wallet mu odru bebi okono oton your obeto ewie no na wire transfer money pa kono. Until now I mean we are getting to the point nipa swasika kodidwa, and that is what the vice president and the economic management team are pushing for. Until the printing of higher notes idea and like I said, Usha, if you look at the product and money markets for which amount for make arguments say ama is leading to deadweight bed in this animal. Like I said, Obianya there's Obianya chire whether in the product market nientia yes see cost of transaction cost because of no say woni and in the money market amount for this is the reason and the source of cost of transaction yenye hu ye intermediate idea and it also disables our collective effort towards moving towards cashless economy na ye kanu nti idea medwun hu am
nti wonni ni se beboa
minye sure say ebeboa is going to create counterproductive outcomes. Like I said, inflation and 3 year ebetimi ahadwin and argument Marty from the Bank of Ghana so say almost is going to be limited in circulation. Now Adi, you are bringing it to answer a certain challenge. Which challenge you have stated say a high cost of transaction. Now say Musi, you are going to limit the circulation of such and not just say entimi cure the challenger Musi enunti na modeba no. Nti why print it?
Only ni say mom America can share how it will run.
Chairman, you see, you can experiment with numeracy and expect some outcomes. But if the foundation is a bit shaky, now your man kosuna and bar, I think that if we can avoid it, I say avoid it. Maybe there is some explanation na Bank of Ghana and fambi too dry. But from the arguments are Mattie, I think sir they are not very sustainable, and further explanation if there is any at all is needed on this particular issue.
Okay.
And my view is say I was speaking about the fact that it might lead to an increase in money supply, Ntimi Mbasa and all of that. But well, we live to see. But I would like some further and more convincing explanation regarding the reason for SAR printing. Afrobarometer report is so well. I think sir.
What does I think say?
Sir Afrobarometer, usha be a positive, ebisu enshada emwasa. And I always say surveys like this, no, they are not meant to condemn governments. They are meant to remind governments, on this particular score, say you home kakraka home. On this one, dear, but we need to consolidate and all of that. And I want to discuss this in that context. Sir, we share reporter Abano. I just say some institutions are canino. The trust of the ordinary Ghanaian. Was our institutions no. And me say the latest report, said there has, for example, presidency in 2016, 2015. I mean the last one was in 2012, before 2017, the trust of Ghanaians in the presidency is here. But since here it appears there is some recovery, which is good news. But again, we share your modern boy and kwanya ye faso edi kutia ketashe no proye no, and also we share as a Swati, and there has been a decline, if you wish, in terms of your modern boy efa ketashe no proye ho as the perception of corruption across Rukakra and a idea a hardwin. But it is also an opportunity for buying any all of us are shareholders in this corporation called Ghana. No, I say we need to up our game in ensuring say reporter RB would guide us as we help to make sure say Ketashenu Proye is sobeti. And I keep saying say the key to the success, and the key to success in respect of the fight against corruption, is civil vigilance. In Prempino, we expect say, oh, abaina ebe hu corruption na wa yen hu bibi. Yen omanfo no. We have a responsibility. Because we share report in the preamble to the report na kasa chire nkrofo corruption titi omopa, and majority of them are the poor. Until already we share the income pyramid no sabi yen ni bie no yen na edoso. Na secretariat pro SA edi enyadia, then we must rise up and help in dealing with cancer of corruption no. Until it's unfortunate that we have I don't want to use the word backslided, but we have gone back in terms of the gains ye make here in dealing with corruption and the perception thereof no. But achia ba mbuye ye ko enim no, I expect say we increase our civil vigilance and our buying penny for so ye hu bibi na edi betum anima. You've got to act on it. It is the perception of inaction on the part of nkrofo more authority mu and deepen the perception say ketahye pro akosro, because so ye hu bi na edi betudwa na ye nya hu bibia. The next time somebody is interviewed about the perception of corruption, nye nipa be kan say akosro, because nye omoti ye eba abontin nanka ese ye hu bibia ya nya hu bibi no, it goes into forming certain opinions and it goes into shaping their opinions on corruption and all of that. Until yen chama yebeko so aye juma in the sense ye hu ayebeka na penyifo so ye hu na ye ka muntu hu anamo. That is the only way we can win the fight against corruption. And I am tired of this tendency to reduce corruption to a political game between NDC and MPP. If there is a decline in our performance on the fight against corruption in a particular regime, say NDC for netiswa MPP for the bekodum, say MPP for su netijuma netiswa NDC for su the bekodum. At the end of the day, we lose the main issue, which is corruption and we have to collectively deal with it. And we can only succeed in doing so if we de-emphasize the political card scoring and the political scores the corruption if we de-emphasize that and we focus on the fact that I'm sure we should be able to make some headway. But until then, reporter I am sure the political discussion would continue. A man for because say kai no nkrofo a omu shasia omu emasadi ekosui. At the end of the day, we forget about them and it is about this party is more corrupt than the other. Nan nkrofo a omu sebi ewie sika kese no. Yeka perception of corruption is not only limited to political appointees. So Jama only say civil servants. They be a say politician sebi ebi mu wie dia but politicians cry here no mu wie.
Yes, ebi wie.
No, ebi mu dia hwe. Ebi mu wie, but I'm saying say comparatively is always perceptive.
Perception.
But comparatively speaking, Chairman, me wo GDA say civil servants omu wie chan politicians.
And also you adwin.
My dream.
But uni na so bia.
Oh, Chairman.
Some people just say yes.
You know, but in Prempino, you know, Chairman, how many times have you heard discussion on corruption? You focusing on civil service. Politician, party, you're corrupt. And sometimes it's not even about individuals. Party, you're corrupt. Party, you can't simple. You are more corrupt than we and all of that. Until at the end of the day, not Sabi, the real culprits, whether they are political appointees and they are civil servants, no more from Muhedi. Then we do sa ding dong no. Now at the end of the day, opinion base retreat is some. Yes, sir. Now at the end of the day, after 2 weeks we've forgotten about it and we are getting on to the next issue.
Okay, let me start going to the next person.
Chairman, let's see corruption as a major national cancer, requiring your contributions. Now, when reports like these come, a share how far we have gone and what remains to be done. Until report not just it shows ye modern boy ye in 2017 no eswati, which means say bibi atochima wo bibi, and it's a call on government to sit up and like yeah can also to also make sure say yebebua ama the fight against corruption is one.
Peace FM 104.3 Would you mean